Alright, today we're going to talk about linear approximation. Now, linear approximation is a great tool to have because it allows us to approximate values that we wouldn't normally know without a calculator using values that we do know. So for example, we're going to try to find the value of radical 5. We wouldn't normally know this without a calculator, but we're going to approximate it because we do know the value of radical 4, and that's 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a graph that we know, the graph of y equals radical x, and we know the point when x equals 4 right here on the graph is going to give us a y value of 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that point because it's very close to the point x equals 5 to try and find the value of radical 5, y value of radical 5. Okay, so we're going to use this point here at x equals 4 and we're going to do a tangent line approximation. So I'm going to draw a tangent line right there at x equals 4, and using that we're going to be able to approximate the value of radical 5. So first thing we need to do is we need to find the slope of this tangent line that we just drew. So to find the slope, we're going to have to take the derivative of y equals radical x. Y equals radical x. Now this can be rewritten as y equals x to the 1/2, okay? So to derive that, we're going to have y equals 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2. Okay, now we're going to plug in the value that we do know for x, 4, for this x right here. So y equals 1/2, 4, to the negative 1/2. And the reason we do that is because we need to find the slope of the tangent line at the point x equals 4. Okay, so solving this, we get 1/4, because this again is going to be 1 over radical 4, which is 2. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 equals 1 over 4. Now that we have the slope, we're going to use that in our point slope formula, and we're going to write the equation of this line, the tangent line. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay? So plugging in the values that we do know, again, 4, 2, those coordinates, y minus 2, our y value, equals m, which is the slope we just found, 1/4, times x minus 4. Now that we have that equation, we're going to be able to solve for y, this radical 5, when x equals 5. So y equals 2, y minus 2, there we go, equals 1/4, 5 minus 4. So see, we just plugged that 5 that we want to know in for the x. So solving this, we get y equals 1/4 times 1 plus 2. So we get y equals 1 over 4 plus 2 over 1. So we just make the same base, 1 over 4 plus times 4 times 4, 8 over 4. Y is equal to 9 over 4. So what we just did is we approximated that when x is 5, radical 5, that y value is going to be approximately 9/4. Now the other interesting thing we know from this is that because the graph at the point x equals 5 is concave down, our tangent line is going to lie above that. So that's telling us that the value that we approximated, 9/4, is going to be an overestimate because see, this is where the actual number is, and this is where our estimate was from the tangent line lying above the line. Okay? So lots of fun things we just learned. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.